ಯು ಸಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಕಾಮ್ನೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಕಾಮ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್, ಸೋಬರ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್, ಸೂತಿಂಗ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. Pineal gland gives you that soothing energy. That is the beauty of this energy. Idu the calmness part. Now you go to the next part. Eno?
Motivation.
Yes. Once you calm down, your prana goes and latches itself onto the pineal glands. ಆ ಪೈನಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂದಾನೇ ನಮಗೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಬರೋದು. ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ, ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಮ್ ಆದಾಗ ಬ್ರೈನು ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ? ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಂಟು ಬಾರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಶನ್. ದ ಮೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ಸ್ ಯು, more you become calm, more calmness you will get. Okay? This activation, what happens, ಈ ಪೈನಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್. ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಟು ಡೂ ಮೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸಾಧನ. ಕಾಮ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಕಾಮ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಂದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ. ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ. ನಾನಿನ್ನೂ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಾಧನ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೈನಲ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವರ್ಕಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು ಇಂಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು ಇಂಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಇಂಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಕಾಮ್ನೆಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ನು, ದಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು ಏನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವೇಶನ್. ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. It gives you intuition. That is called as prerana. It will start giving you prerana, intuition. Now you will understand. ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಸಾಧನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾಧನೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗಿರೋ ಬ್ರೈನಲ್ಲೇ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬ್ರೈನಲ್ಲೇ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬ್ರೈನಲ್ಲೂ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೋಲ್. ದಟ್ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಶಿವ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ನಾರಾಯಣ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಗರುಡ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ದಟ್ ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವರು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾದಾಗ ಆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನಿಂದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಂಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆರ್ ವೈಸ ವರ್ಷ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು, ಐದರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಎರಡೂ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೀ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ. So, you will understand what do I do to get into. So, after calmness, you go into motivation, spurti, and that spurti means it calls as activation, and from this activation, constantly motivation to activation, and activation to again motivation. So all this constant motivation to activation, and activation again it motivates, and during this time you will start reading and assimilating and activating yourself with all these sadhus and santas of your enlightened beings for you. You will get lot of chances to motivate and activate yourself constantly, so that your pineal gland is more and more activated, giving you that kind of an illumination deep inside your brain. And that activation constantly gives you intuition. For intuition, you don't require any caste, color, or creed. For intuition, you don't even require education. What you require is the presence of mind with all that softness and sharpness with ahimsa. Then you will have that calmness, okay? And this motivation will give you activation constantly. Then you will start reading and not reading, assimilating enlightened beings' life work. That is activation. This activation leads you into Kumbhaka. That leads you, knowingly or unknowingly, leads you to Kumbhaka, retention of breath. The more you experience Kumbhaka, then this motivation will give you intuition. This is the part which will give you intuition. Each one of you is eligible for intuition, because all that pineal gland consists of piezoelectric crystals, which is constantly illuminating like a soft glow worm. ಮಿಣಕೆ ಹುಳ ಥರ ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಪೈನಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಮಿಣಕೆ ಹುಳ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ illumination in the pineal gland. This illumination with your breathing process will go bring this pineal gland, the illumination, into your heart and into your soul and into all the capillaries of your body, of your own psychological psychological, physiological, and that psychic energy inside you. This is the beauty of this. From activation, then it will start intuiting. So this is that wonderful part of you. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದಾಗ, you think you are intuiting, you will intuit, but you have to, this is a process to understand intuition. Awareness, should be sharp with ahimsa, and you should be extraordinary calm. People will provoke you. If they are provoking you, you invoke yourself with some divine energy. It can be your Ishta Devata, it can be your Guru, it can be your Kula Devata. Yene adru kuda, don't be bothered, because that calmness will make you come out of your botheration. ಈ botheration ಆದಾಗಲೇನೆ you will talk horribly with people. You don't know how to respond with people. That is why it is very difficult for you to communicate. 90% of you think you don't have the communication skills. In short, you only have lack of communication skills because your sadhana is not understanding that illumination of inside you. If you now tackle your pineal gland with that piezoelectric cells in your pineal gland, then you will have literally wisdom at your fingertips. This is the beauty of yourself. So, if you understand the motivation, the spurti, then you'll have the activation part of you. And this activation, when you sit and meditate with this energy, you will understand, you will start getting intuition. This is the best part of you. Then, over a periodical, you are not talking about the past and the present of somebody's life. You are not talking about the future of somebody's life. You have to first activate your pineal gland, and these crystals will make you intuit. It can be anything. If you look at all these people who have intuited, like Sir M. Vishveshwaraya, Edgar Cayce, all these people were known for intuition because that pineal gland was always giving out that future of people. After this, now when you understand this, you have to go one step further. Once you come to the intuition part, then automatically you will start having clarity in thinking. You are able, because your soul is now getting on the process of getting illuminated. The more the illumination happens in your soul, then you will have more and more clarity in thinking. Because today you are not thinking. Whatever you study, you will only try to take it in your brain in that intellectual level, but more so in the memory level of your brain. That is why your memory is not up to the mark. Because intellectually, you have a certain level of memory. As the age goes up, then the memory also distances itself from you. That means the more and more the piezoelectric crystals in your pineal gland is not being charged constantly and consistently. Then the memory fades. So then clarity in thinking does not happen. So point number 5 is, first is clarity in thinking. This is the first part. Okay? First is, you will start thinking with clarity. Once you start thinking with clarity, then this pineal gland will start throwing signals into clarity in thinking, then clarity in speech, and then clarity in action. So first clarity in thinking, clarity in speech, and clarity in action.
For more satsangs from Sri Sri Nimishananda Guruji, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button below to get notifications. Like and share the video and spread the divine message.